Hey guys, welcome back to the matrix series. This is video number 3 on determinants. Okay, so in this video and in the following 3 or 4 videos, we'll learn about determinants and Kramer's rule and everything that to do with determinants. And this is very important topic and very easy also. Okay, so first thing, determinant now yavudakku nediತೀವಿ. Okay, we only find determinant of a square matrix. Okay, like 2 cross 2 matrix or 3 cross 3 matrix and such. Okay, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎರಡೇ 2 cross 2 matrix and 3 cross 3 matrix. ಆಮೇಲೆ determinant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Determinant is a number. Determinant is a number. Determinant of a matrix is a number. ಹೆಂಗೆ? For example, if matrix A is like this 2 3 4 5. Matrix A is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so determinant of matrix A hang baritivi. Like what is the denotation? How do we denote determinant of A? DET of A, or like this with 2 lines on either side of the matrix A. Okay. So determinant of A ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 2 3 4 5. Okay, observe that there are no these are not brackets, these are only lines. Okay, so this is how you write determinant of a matrix. 2 lines and inside the elements of matrix. Matrix elements na ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ diagonal elements ಅಂತಾರೆ. Okay, so determinant of A is nothing but diagonal elements product 2 into 5 minus ಇನ್ನೆರಡು another diagonal product matrix, another diagonal elements the product, that is 3 into 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10 minus 3 into 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 12. ಸೊ determinant of A ಏನು? Determinant of A ಏನು? 10 minus 2 is 10 minus 12 is 2 minus 2. Okay, 10 minus 12 is minus 2. So determinant of A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2. Okay, how do you find determinant? Product of diagonal elements minus product of the remaining diagonal elements. Okay, let's take another example. So if matrix B is 2 minus 3 1 5, 2 minus 3 1 5. Okay, we need to find the determinant of matrix B. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ diagonal elements ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? 2 and 5. So 2 into 5 minus, okay, product minus product. Okay, so product minus ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ diagonal elements ಯಾವು? 1 and minus 3. So minus 3 into 1. Okay, with symbols elements ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ 2 into 5 ಏನು 10 minus into minus ಏನು plus 3 into 1 ಏನು 3. So determinant of B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ determinant of B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 13. So no matter if it is 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 2 matrix, determinant is a number and we find determinants only of square matrix. How do you find determinants? 2 cross 2 matrix alli diagonal element product minus remaining diagonal element product. Diagonal element product minus remaining diagonal element product. Okay, so answer ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. So let's solve some examination questions on 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so previous year questions. Each question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ determinant is equal to 0, determinant equal to 3, determinant equal to 0. Find x, find m, find x. Okay, so we need to find the determinant equated to 0, find x value. Okay, ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. So how do you find determinant? Diagonal elements product ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x plus 1 into 3 minus remaining diagonal elements product. Okay, 1 into minus 5x is equal to ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so ಈ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are going to find x. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 into 2 6x as it is plus 3 into 1 3. Okay, 2x plus 1 into 3 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಟು polynomial. So 3 into 2x plus 3 into 1, 3 into 2x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6x plus 3 into 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 minus 1 into minus 5x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 5x is equal to 0 because anything into 1 is same. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6x plus 3 minus into minus plus 5x is equal to 0. Okay. So 6x plus 5x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 11x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 11x is equal to plus 3 ಇರೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x is equal to 11 multiplication ಇರೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ division ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So x is equal to minus 3 by 11 is the answer for this question. Okay. So ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ multiple choice questions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you should see denominator 11 ಬರಬೇಕು, numerator 3 ಬರಬೇಕು, minus 3. Okay. So another same question, determinant is equal to 3, what is the value of m? So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋ determinant ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ diagonal elements multiplication 3 into 2 minus ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ diagonal elements multiplication. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ diagonal elements ಯಾವುದು m minus 1 m plus 1. So m minus 1 into m plus 1 is equal to ಏನು 3. So 3 into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 minus m minus 1 into m plus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you need to multiply. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ m into m plus 1 minus 1 into m plus 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So what will you do? I'll put a big bracket here. m into m plus 1 minus 1 into m plus 1 is equal to 3. ಎರಡು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟು ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟು ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ m ಇಂಟು m ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ m ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, m ಇಂಟು 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ m, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು m ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ m, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು m ಇಸ್ m, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು 1 ಇಸ್ 1 is equal to 3. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 minus m square. So whenever you are opening bracket and there is a minus here, okay, you have to multiply the symbol. Minus into plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus m square, minus into plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus m, minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus m, minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 1 is equal to 3. Minus m plus m 0. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus m square 6 plus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7 is equal to 3. Okay, so if you send 7 that side, minus m square is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 minus 7 plus 7 is minus 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus m square is equal to 3 minus 7 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 4, minus minus cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. m square 4 ಆದರೆ m ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ square root of 4 ಅಥವಾ m is equal to plus or minus 2. So answer is m is plus or minus 2. Okay, so opening determinant and solving the equation for m. Again same question, how do you open determinant? Diagonal elements, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2 minus remaining diagonal elements. 0 into 5 is 0 is equal to 0. How do you multiply this? First x into x minus 2, then plus 2 into x minus 2. This is the first term. Minus 0 as it is equal to 0. So x into x, x square, plus into minus minus, x into 2 is 2x, plus into plus plus, 2 into x 2x, plus into minus minus, 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 0. Plus 2x minus 2x cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x square minus 4 is equal to 0, x square is equal to minus 4 ಇರೋದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x square is equal to 4 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x is equal to square root of 4, square root square root ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x is equal to plus or minus 2. Same answer as this. Okay, so 1 mark definitely ಈ question ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ DCET ಅಲ್ಲಿ for multiple choice. Just open the determinant, solve for x or m and you will get one number. Okay, so next we will move on to 3 cross 3 matrix determinants ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ 3 cross 3, 3 rows 3 columns, 3 cross 3 matrix determinant ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. So it's a square matrix and determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix also one number. So determinant of A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Between lines, we need to write the elements 1, 1 and 1, 3, 3 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will be what? Okay. So we know now ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 2 cross 2 matrix ಇದ್ರೆ diagonal element multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus remaining diagonal elements multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. 3 cross 3 matrix ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Okay. First we need to write this matrix 3 times. How to write this matrix 3 times? Like this. Plus matrix minus matrix plus matrix or determinants. Okay, doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. This is not a step. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So first matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ only write the first element. Okay, first element of the first row, that is 1. Okay, ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ರೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, 3, 5, 6. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು 1, ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆ ರೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 3, 4, 3, 6. Okay, finally third element in the first row, ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆ ರೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, that is 3, 3, 4, 5. So matrix multiplication ಅಥವಾ determinants is about pattern. Okay, so first element, the remaining these are called minor elements, okay, of this one. Second element in the first row, remaining elements. Third element in the first row, remaining elements. Plus minus plus symbol. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ simple. Determinant is equal to 1 into, okay, open a square bracket, big bracket, is the determinant of this small 2 cross 2 matrix. How do you find determinant of this matrix? 3 into 6 minus 3 into 5. 3 into 5 minus 1. Okay, 1 into bracket 3 into 6 minus 3 into 4 plus 1, this plus 1 times 3 into 5 minus 3 into 4. Okay, 3 cross 3 matrix determinant is 2 cross 2 matrix determinant 3 times. Okay, we need to do 2 cross 2 matrix determinants 3 times to find the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, and also we need to follow this plus minus plus rule and multiply the upper row, the first row element like this. Okay, so what will we get here? It's equal to 1 into 3 into 6 is 18 minus 3 into 5 is 15 minus 1 into 3 into 6 is 18 minus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1 into 3 into 5 is 15 minus 3 into 4 is 12. So what will we get? 1 into 18 minus 15 is 3 minus 1 into 18 minus 12 is 6 plus 1 into 15 minus 12 is 3. So this is equal to 1 into 3 is 3 minus 1 into 6 is minus 6 plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. 3 minus 6 plus 3 is 0. Okay. So determinant of this A matrix is 0. How do you find that? We wrote the matrix 3 times. This into determinant of this minus this into determinant of this plus this into determinant of this. Okay. So we will see few more questions from the previous exam. Then we will know how to solve 3 by 3 determinants. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix determinants. Practice is the key. We should solve as many problems as possible. Okay. Two previous year question papers. Given determinant of matrix is 0, find x. Determinant of matrix is minus 4, find x. Okay, same like 2 cross 2 determinants. Okay, so how do you find determinant of a 3 cross 2 matrix? First you need to write this determinant 3 times. How do you do that? Plus determinant minus determinant plus determinant. Okay, so in the first write the first element of first row 1 and the remaining elements, that is x, 3, 4 and 3. Next, second element of the first row and these 4 elements, 2, 3, 3, 3. Next, third element of the first row, 3 and the remaining elements, that is 2, x, 3, 4. Okay. Now we need to solve 2 by 2 determinants, 2 cross 2 determinants. So that is plus 1 times x into 3 is 3x minus 4 into 3 is 12 minus 2 times 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 into 3 is 9 plus 3 times 2 into 4 is 8 minus 3 into x is 3x. This is equal to what? 0. Okay. So that is 1 into 3x is 3x plus into minus 1 into 12 is 12 minus 2 as it is 6 minus 9 is minus 3 plus 3 as it is 8 minus 3x is equal to 0. Okay. So that is 3x minus 12 minus into minus plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus into plus 3 8 is 24 plus into minus 3 3 is 9, x is equal to 0. Okay. So 3x minus 9x is minus 6x. Minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6, minus 6 plus 24 is plus 18 is equal to 0. So minus 6x is equal to plus 18. If you send that side, it will be minus 18. Minus and minus get cancelled. So 6 is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 by 6. 6 is multiplied here, 6 is divided here. So 6 1s are, 6 3s are, x is equal to 3 is the answer for this determinant. Okay. So determinant is 0, then x is 3, or x is 3, then determinant is 0. Similarly here, we need to find determinant. How do you find determinant? We need to rewrite the matrix or determinant 3 times. Plus, minus, this is minus, then plus. Okay, so in the first rewrite the first element of the first row and the remaining item. So that is 3, 0x minus 5, 4. 0x minus 5, 4. Okay. Here the second element minus 2 and the 4, 2 and x and 4. 4, 2, x and 4. Finally here the third element, that is 4. These 4, 4, 0, 2 and minus 5. 4, 0, 2 and minus 5. Okay. Now plus 3 into 0 into 4 is 0 minus x into minus 5 is minus 5x. Okay. If you get confused, do one more step. Otherwise, minus 5 into x is minus 5x and we need to subtract this product. So that's why the subtraction is here. Okay. Then minus 2 into 4 4s are 16 minus 2 into x is 2x plus 4 4 into minus 5. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20 because plus into minus is minus, 4 into 5 is 20 minus 2 into 0 is 0 and this is equal to what? Minus 4. Okay. So 3, 0 minus into minus plus 5x minus into minus plus 2, 16 minus 2x plus 4 minus 20 minus 0 is minus 20. This is equal to minus 4. 3 into 5 is 15. X plus 2 into 16 is plus 32. Plus into minus 2 into 2 is 4. X plus into minus 4 into 20 is 80 is equal to minus 4. Okay. So 15x minus 4x is 11x. Okay. 32 minus 80. What is 32 minus 80? 32 minus 80 is 48. Minus 48 is equal to minus 4. So if 11x is equal to minus 4, if you send minus 48 that side, it will be plus 48. So 11x is equal to minus 4 into minus 4 plus 48 is 44, x is equal to 44 by 11, 11 ones are 11 fours are, x is equal to 4 is the answer for this question. If determinant of this matrix is minus 4, then x is 4. Okay, so these are the type of, this is definitely one question you will get in the exam for 1 marks. It could look lengthy, but you will have 1 minute, more than 1 minute for each question. So practice and try to solve this within 1 minute. Okay, let's see another question from the previous exam. Another previous year question. So determinant ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so there is a 3x3 matrix. You need to find determinant. How do you find? There is tan and something here, tan theta and something. So don't worry, it's not a trigonometry question. It's simple determinant question. The options they will give will be in terms of tan or secant, something like that. Okay. I will show you how to solve this question. So similar procedure we need to find follow. Okay, first we need to write 3 times this determinant, that is plus determinant minus determinant and then plus determinant. First rewrite the first element, that is tan theta, and these 4 elements, that is 0, tan theta, minus 1 and 3, 0, tan theta, minus 1 and 3. Illi second element 0, amala 1, 2, tan theta and 3, 1, 2, tan theta and 3. Illi third element minus 1 and these 4 elements, 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 2, minus 1. Okay. Next plus tan theta into 0 into 3 is 0, anything 0 into anything is 0, minus 1 into tan theta is minus tan theta. Okay, observe the bracket, illi minus is there, this minus is because we need to subtract this minus this. Okay, minus 0, we now need to find the determinant because 0 into that determinant will be 0. Okay, so plus into minus 1, plus into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 into 0 is 0. Okay, so that's how we solve this. So the ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan theta, okay, 0, minus into minus is plus tan theta, minus 0, plus into minus minus 1, minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. Okay. So tan theta into tan theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, tan square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 is 1. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus tan square theta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರು, ಇಲ್ಲ 1 plus tan square theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, secant square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is only trigonometry part you need to know. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. But they in the option they will give this or this. Okay. So trigonometry irli eno irli numbers irli determinant solve ಮಾಡೋದು procedure is same. Okay, so that is all about determinants. Determinants are very important topic. Following more video alli kuda ನಾವು determinants continuous use ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, so you get more practice.
Hey guys, if you like the way that we teach, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to comment your doubts in the comment section so that we can cover all those doubts in the next video. And don't forget to check out our entire video course. The link is in the description. And please share this video with your friends and help them as well. Thank you guys. All the best.